Friend, do you know that you can get a lot of money by solving math questions? Now you will say that it is fine, but we don't know mathematics. If you don't know math and want to earn money from this website, you don't need to worry because today I'm teach you even you only passed matriculations, but you can solve the question of FSC, BSc, MSc, even MPhil, and you can transfer $10 to $20 in your account every day very easily. There is thousands of people working on this website. Today I'm gonna share with you a website, but math work competition is not very high. Only 50 people join this contest. No, you join today this website. The method I told you, you can easily earn $10 to $20 a day. I'm gonna tell you in detail what is the website, how to start working, and how to start earning. If you wanna know and wanna learn, let's go to details of video. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Noor, very warm welcome in my channel Earn with Noor. Today we discuss how we earn through solve the math question. It is very easy, even you have only passed matriculations, but you can solve the question of FSC, BSc, MSc, even MPhil. The website is very authentic, trusted and valid. Thousands of people are already working on this website, but the math competition is not very high. Only 50 people are working. If you join this website today, I hope you earn $10 to $20 easily per day. I think I'm never waste your more time. We go to computer screen and see how we start working and how we start earning. If till yet you never subscribe my channel first and press bell icon. So let's friend go on computer screen and see how we start working and how we start earning on this web. So friend, now we are on computer screen and here we need to open Google first. So I'm right here Google. So now open Google here. We need to start our working and start our earning. So you need to write here chat GPT. So I'm right here chat GPT. So friends, chat GPT is now open now. So we need to click chat. This is the chat GPT. So open AI chat GPT. We need to click the first giving link on the top of. So here the left side on the page you see try chat GPT. I'm click on this. So friends, here the chat GPT now open. So if you are new user of chat GPT, so you cannot see page like this. You need to log in your ID and you give your password, then you open chat GPT like this. So after you are login your ID, you show like this page. So I'm right here simply some questions here. We need to 1 plus 1. So if right way here 1 plus 4, ChatGPT give us the answer 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So I'm right here some lengthy question here. So if I'm right here some lengthy question, ChatGPT give us in few seconds our questions answer. So if I'm right here more lengthy questions here, ChatGPT give us more answer in few seconds. ChatGPT give us a few seconds answer any question answer. So if we now we're going to some hard questions, some difficult questions. So I'm right here. I'm asked ChatGPT give me 5 algebra questions. Give me 5 algebra question. So now first we see ChatGPT give us algebra question. So we need to some question here, and after showing our question we need to this question on. So friends, we need to copy one of them. So I'm paste here algebra question. So friends, now ChatGPT solve our question in few seconds. So no, it's a now ChatGPT solve the question our given question here. So friends, like this, any question you want to answer, you just write the question in ChatGPT and then ChatGPT give your all answer and all question. Now you're thinking how we earn through solve the question and earn through math question. Now you need to go again Google. I'm here again Google, and here I'm right here Fiverr.com. So simply we need to click on the top of giving link. So after a few seconds, Fiverr.com open here. So I'm right here math question. So I'm right here math question. So friends, see here only 15 services available. Very low competition here. Only 50 people are gives services of math question here on Fiverr. So mostly on Fiverr is round about thousands of people giving their services. But in this way, the math question is very low competition here. Only 15 people are giving services on Fiverr. So here we click one of them. Here see from 1,494 rupees services paid this person. So I'm click the one of them. So I'm click one of the. I will create math question papers and worksheet. So I will create math question. How you create math question? You need to simply ask the ChatGPT to question and answer and worksheets. And if you want to learn how to make worksheet, you need to just to learn about Canva. If you want to learn Canva, you just go how to learn Canva on YouTube, and you learn and earn. So simply if we talk about the package of this service, so basic is 1,494, standard is 2,993, and premier is 4,490. You need to make your ID gig and create account on Fiverr, and simply you write use the ChatGPT and then create account and create a gig on Fiverr and start your working and start your earning. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, then share this video with friend and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and bye bye.